Hey there, my name is Andrew, and did you know that you can create membership sites for your customers using High Level? This is a really awesome feature that allows your customers to manage everything from courses to communities to affiliate sales and so much more, all within their own client portal. Now, within any sub account on the membership screen, you'll be able to see lots of information, everything from our client portal to our courses to communities and even a branded mobile app. Now, these are all awesome tools that you can provide to your customers and that your customers can provide to their customers via their membership site. And to set up a membership site, it's as easy as navigating to the client portal here. You've actually already got a client portal URL, but to set up your own site, all you have to do is go to settings, go to domain setup, and then you can set up your very own custom domain for your membership site. So members.yourdomain.com. That's right. You can have that set up for yourself within the platform. And let me show you what a live version looks like real quick. This here is a live membership site. What you're looking at right now is the community section, but there's three main sections. We've got communities, then we've got courses. This is where your customers can host custom video, audio, and PDF courses within their very own platform on their own domain. And then also they can manage affiliates from this membership site, which is really cool because they can manage dashboards, sub-affiliates, leads and customers, commissions, payouts, and so much more. There's so much that you can do within a membership site, so feel free to log into your High Level account, set up your membership's domain, and share this feature with your customers. As always, I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you learned something new, and thank you so much for watching.